Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable reduced motion and what it does on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So even if you have the iPhone 14 or 15, Pro or non-Pro, Pro Max, it is all going to work the same and you need to follow the same steps. So you want to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility. Once you are here, let me just maybe make the brightness a little bit less, but not so much. Okay, then you want to go to the motion, and in the motion you can select to reduce motion. So let me show you closing the app, going out of the app without reduce motion. As you can see, we have this animation that closes the window to the app itself. The same with opening the application. So if you go to reduce motion, this is just going to be, as you can see, like fading the app really quickly, and also opening the app is going to be the same. And this is going to work with every other application, as you can see right now. Even with the apps that are not from the Apple. So let's say we open Basis, for example. As you can see, now it just goes without the reduced motion. And also if you go to the application recently used, it is looking a little bit different. So turn on the reduced motion. As you can see now, everything looks different and the motion just looks different. So again, how to get to this feature: go to the settings, go to the accessibility, then motion, and then reduce motion. Also, after turning on this feature, you are going to get to prefer crossfade transitions, and it means that, as you can see, if you go to the settings and go back, the animations are just going to look like a fade. As you can see, if you turn on this feature, we are still going to get like the motion, the swiping, but if we turn on prefer crossfade transitions, it is just going to be everything just fading, as you can see right now. So this is it. These are the options of reduced motion on the iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!